Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am re-waving this lace frontal quick weave. Well, it's a lace closure 5x5 quick weave that I did a couple of weeks ago for the third time. So guys, stick around. This is the third wave, and I want you guys to just pay attention. Look, see what you can gain from the video. If it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and I will love on you over here. Now, of course, I'm pulling out the famous black gel. I am fixing up back her edges. Of course, they picked up a little bit because it's lace. The back also picked up, but what I did, I already glued that down. So now that I got her all ready and set to go, we're going to start to wave. And like I said, I'm using the famous black gel. It's by Ampro, and I love this gel. It doesn't flake. I swear by this gel, and it dries hard only when you use spritz. If I dry this gel without any spritz, it will dry fairly soft, but I still wouldn't, comb it out or anything. So another reason why I wanted to show you guys this third re-wave, it could possibly be the fourth, but I'm remembering it's the third. A subscriber asked me if when I wet the hair down, does it loosen up the tracks? And I let her know that no, it does not. This quick weave is still firm on our head, and in this video you guys are going to see me actually pour straight Lotta Body on this. And what that does, straight Lotta Body that's not diluted, it dries hard. This model loves her waves to stay. She has a very she has no time to do her own hair basically, so she likes the finger waves that stay. So guys, remember to leave a like on this video. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It will get me out there in the algorithms. Make sure your notifications are on, so every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. And share this video also. So just pay attention, take what you can from the video, and yeah. So this is the front, guys, and see how soft it looks. It doesn't look all hard and what a lot of these younger stylists think that black gel will do. So it actually dries really nice, not flaky. So yeah, like I said, just pay attention because I'm going to keep saying so and so there it goes again. But anyway, there goes the straight Lotta Body that I just pour onto the quick weave, and it dries hard and it doesn't flake, and your waves are going to look shiny. Now, the trick to getting your waves done properly, I'm about to show you guys. If you're not like professional with using two combs, the thing is to form a C, and always connect your wave to another wave. Don't make a wave that's just sitting there on its own. What I shouldn't say you shouldn't, but for my technique and how I like to do it, I like my waves to be connected, so everything looks connected and cohesive. I don't want like a wave over here, a big giant wave over here, and like they're sitting by themselves and none of the waves are connected. So if you're trying to learn how to do this in this tutorial, basically you would want to connect your wave to the last wave that you did. Just picture that in your mind and you should be fine. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, please leave a E for effort in the comments and remember to like the video. And also stay tuned for the next one, which will be coming up soon. I love you guys. Thanks for all the support. Do you guys see how these waves are cohesive? They're kind of connected in some type of way. But I told my model that this is the last time that we can wave her up. But yeah, love you guys. See you all in the next video. Mwah.